happiness no get bad intention. Now we dey house. See wetin dey pay me now we dey house. We know a rich house. We gather dey do everything every day. We dey see am. Nothing person wan which character wey you wan hide for where everybody wan.
Just look at.
People will come and.
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself.
There's good rumor. There's good rumor in there. Everything. So
now this small thing we have been back for a year.
As I dey talk am, people just think say na lie. They just say
see Dave wetin pay me you see chidinma for here this girl come get mind
come get access to
come access chidinma phone.
Na you
get access to am.
I don tell this guy several times say mo carry this phone comot he say make I no worry make this one dey here for now.
Perry na who get this problem?
na her power na this we know say her power dey house.
Okay.
This one na the small one.
As this before sister come hear information say she dey.
Perry you're like a brother to me. I don't lie you. I don't lie for you. I don't feel like for you. I won't make you do it. Just if she need anything, let
how can chidinma go come access
this phone make you do under your custody?
Na me go hold am.
No, instead you give an answer.
Happiness go go 2 minutes 2 minutes chance you go come here access the phone.
Access the phone.
You go access
Go dey reply.
go dey reply chat.
What are you talking with people?
Wetin you dey talk to people?
I know wetin I tell you.
I see you as you dey see me sef I no wan carry this matter talk too much. If I start dey tell you wetin people
Why you go dey use phone?
People dey
access people.
Why this girl dey collect money from people who want to buy provision for chidinma. Na be collecting money from people. She want to buy provision from chidinma. What does that mean? If anybody want to okay let's ask if anybody want to send chidinma something or appreciate where this guy go. I don ask for myself I don't need anything.
Bro.
I don't need it because the love they have on chidinma is different.
I see. I know no reason now. What is this like this?
Why you dey call dey spell people name?
No reason now.
Why you call dey spell people name? Na the wetin dey pay me. Why dey spoil our name?
How to open someone's phone, start tagging people.
People are not
happy. Why are you asking?
You were there when I was there when the first called him yesterday. That they send money to chidinma. They send money to this. How? I was surprised. 90,000. What is the meaning of that? When this happen, you know wetin I tell Perry? I said Perry, how far where you dey? Perry tell me say I have to run. I come meet am. Say where the money? Where the provision? The first thing I ask I say where the provision? He tell me say which provision? They have to follow the message. I tell her say go check your WhatsApp. Check people wey chat you. He say he no dey in the good mood to check him phone. I say abeg I dey with you now. Check your phone. This guy have
people are calling me. I can't pick or even to reply.
He see message.
Wetin concern me?
Happiness dey man dey insult people.
They insult people anyhow.
They insult
They talk
fans.
to people anyhow.
Is it bad thing these people dey do to check on chidinma?
Na this thing I do.
Yes,
These people do bad to check on chidinma. They do bad to.
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself.
There's good rumor in there. Everything. So
now this small thing we have been back for a year.
as I dey talk am, people just think say na lie. They just say happiness no get bad intention. Na we dey house. See wetin dey pay me na we dey house. We know a rich house. We gather dey do everything every day. We dey see am. Nothing person wan which character wey you wan hide for where everybody wan.
Just look at.
People will come online come dey pay me person wey I know. Person wey me with am dey live for house.
No say I no wan come here. Are you get this way I will carry you come here? I tell you.
Person wey we gather dey house. We know our past people. We know our past fans. Fans dey see am.
Bag wey she carry that you say you wan carry come see she. Wetin I tell you when you come house? I just na my bag be that. Na my
Yes, na it was your bag. Ask people wey dey house. Dave carry your phone ask call people. Happiness dey house.
He no dey house. He no go dey here.
No.
He go your phone say call am. He no dey here. You see am here. For house
Ask
he no
whether
dey.
this
Oh,
girl
yeah,
dey house.
for house. Ask whether happiness dey house.
Since morning I was asking this girl dey house.
Who I pick up for?
Anybody wey wish call am. Ask am say whether happiness.
No, who I pick up for house?
Who dey house?
Everybody see am.
Who dey house sef?
When I just dey comot because Prosper if you call Prosper.
Man call Prosper.
Call Prosper.
If you know say you no strong.
If you no pick my call, you see me you get. Call am with your phone.
I know.
Should I call him? Call him.
Wetin dey pay me?
I see no reason. I see no reason why this guy go dey behave somehow.
He no go dey house. Where you dey go? You go carry bag say you wan go see chidinma. Okay, thank God. Camera dey make everybody dey see. Make everybody dey see you.
And thank God say you carry the camera make you open make
Because you man go dey appreciate say happiness dey take care of your sister.
Oh boy, see.
You go dey happy say na woman. Na two people see. Na maintenance say carry two people make dem take good care of your wife. Carry two people. They carry them now. Hospital people provide the 2 people. Say take care of this girl. Make sure. I tell them, may need to know happen to her. No allow 2 people. I tell them, be careful with happiness.
See, Dave. Nasty love your sister.
Bro, you don't need
forget everything with the past. Nasty the past through. No be nasty. Those with no clear eye.
I don't know.
Fly
They go spiritual way.
As you can see, Fly C.
You know see what Fly C do? Go carry 2 people. Say na nasty girl.
This people scatter snowball car.
Who?
Fly C. Na him dey encourage nasty. Na dey influence nasty for everything. They scatter snowball car. This the car because
we know house road there now. We know house road there. Since where marriage imagine since where Fly C enter house, everything scatter.
We have seen everything.
This guy wey dey call himself elder, since when he enter, everything scatter.
See, Perry, I didn't like talk too much. Because I didn't like talk too much. I don't see everything. I don't see everything you saw. First, I was expecting to see happiness in this hospital. Call happiness. Call Kali.
Since 3 days now.
Call violence.
Okay.
Call violence. Asa with the happiness day house.
Since 3 days now. Since 3 days. I don't use my eyes see happiness. If he call house, he go comot. If he call house, he go comot.
Waka. I don't know you go every day is checking on her. Every blessed day she go dey waka. She go here say she chidinma the shit. No improvement. Just to put people's life at stake or what?
Now maybe we hate nasty.
Maybe for hate.
Happiness is trying all he needs to make sure he spoil nasty. Like he damage him, he make everybody in life. Now what him dey do? Now see, imagine when he carry camera, they just say Nasty no pay for a abuse, Nasty no keep anybody, Nasty no do this thing.
And you when they watch the video, you believe say Nasty go carry chidinma come hospital, he no go pay any bills.
Hi, the Nasty.
Nasty dey believe her.
The Nasty.
Nasty wey love this girl with her whole heart. People dey do. See, those girls. So we might will come out very soon. I will let this guy see.
Me and
come.
Just
when they come,
I beg, make I rush with them. I will go see.
Okay, you go back.
Me I no come back.
Me I see. No, me I see.
okay, now bro. No one
The enemies want to bring you down.
Now they go first.
I don't go first.
They go
So
first.
after do you. This is.
Don't worry.
I never ever will ask for you that are watching this video. Any day where I ask you, I need card from you. I can never ask you money. Nasty can never ask you money. Nasty na him put this, na him wear the shoe, na him know where the pen am. Another individual, different individual go come say, and we need you to. Happiness, how dare you? Happiness, how dare you to tell my fans, tell my audience, to tell my audience whole world, you want to take Chidinma to another hospital. Who dare you? When that one starts? When did you start to care about Chidinma? When that one starts? Guys, if person they do eye service, you know. If person they talk better thing, you know. You guys are not kids. You guys are grown-up people. You know what is good and bad. If anybody want to scam you, want to discourage you, tell you say I want to take this person so please, I want to do this. It's lies, capital lie. The person is capital liar. Nasty have the money to take for Chidinma, take care of Chidinma anywhere. If the hospital say they cannot do anything about Chidinma, Nasty is capable. Nasty cannot allow Chidinma to die or to do anything or to be crippled. Happiness, I'm warning you. This is warning. I'm directed to you. Don't ever discourage my fans to tell them that Chidinma cannot work, Chidinma cannot talk. Chidinma is sound and healthy. Apart from the neck and the news. Very soon Chidinma will come back and you guys, you'll surprise seeing her. And nothing will do her. The way you're wishing her Chidinma, that's how I wish you. That's how I wish you. It will happen to you. I really know that you didn't love her. Just because I follow you the other time, you say that is because Chidinma take your first love. You want to bring her down. You want to take you, and there's nothing you can do. Nasty cannot love you. Nasty love who she choose. Forget what is going on. Forget all this bri. Nasty love who she choose to be. You cannot tell Nasty that this person, I will make Chidinma come on, I will come back. You cannot. Guys, I'm begging you. Now I beg you. Don't send anybody money. Don't send anybody money. Don't send anybody money. I want to take care of Chidinma. Chidinma is fine. Even we wait here, we can take care of Chidinma. See, share this video, make it reach every people waiting they tax you for money. We cannot ask you for money. And share this video with the love I have on you. Because and Barry is not from you. It's from all this rubbish that happening around me. Thank you guys. I love you guys.